With millions of motors produced, Wellington is one of the world's leading motor brands, specializing in extremely quiet and reliable motors for refrigeration systems. To really understand what makes Wellington so much better, first let's examine each motor. Even without powering them up, we can notice that the ECR2 is a lot lighter than most other motors. That's mainly due to the design materials. Whereas most other motor bodies are made of steel or aluminum, Wellington's motor body is made of advanced resins and fibers, like the carbon fiber body of a race car. These resins enable Wellington to build a motor that is incredibly strong and lightweight. The resin housing also enables cooler operation, so the motor doesn't dissipate as much heat into the refrigeration system. This further improves system efficiency. This lightweight means Wellington can package up to 33% more motors in a single skid. That makes shipping more cost-effective, and it lowers the total motor acquisition cost for Wellington customers. Unlike older motors that have been around for decades, Wellington uses the latest in electronics to control the motor. This also saves weight. Looking at the labels, the competitive motor is typically rated as a single voltage input, 120 volts or 240 volts, but the Wellington motor can accept input voltage ranging from 70 volts to 240 volts. This means that it is more tolerant for poor voltage quality and means that the same motor SKU can be used anywhere around the world. Now, let's power up these motors to really see some differences. When the other motor starts up, you can immediately feel its vibration in your hand and hear it spin. When the Wellington ECR2 starts up, you see a small calibration check before you utilize the soft start technology to efficiently accelerate to the programmed speed. Wow, it is quiet. Even going at full speed, it is balanced, smooth, and I can barely hear it. If low vibration and noise is important for an application, Wellington really has a significant difference here. Finally, let's look at how each motor is protected. Wellington's ECR2 motor is tested to meet or exceed the rigorous IP67 level of performance. This means that the motor is engineered to be dust-tight and protected against the effects of water immersion up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. This level of protection is critical for refrigeration systems that often have water or food dripping on them, thus requiring cleaning with pressurized water. Looking at the other motor, its IP rating isn't nearly as high. This means that it has more opportunities for contaminants to enter the body, causing failure with time. This dedication to a robust, reliable motor is part of the reason why Wellington motors have been proven to be 99.97% reliable in the field. It is also why Wellington's motor warranty is longer than anyone else's in the industry. They stand behind their motor better than anyone else. Well, there you have it. If quiet performance, reliability, efficiency, universal voltage, and low cost are important, the ECR2 should be something you consider for your next product design or upgrade. Join the many leading OEMs that have made Wellington's ECR2 their basis of design. Thanks for your time.